Hello everyone. This is a very special occasion as it's the Purvodaya. It's the first day of Purvodaya, and indeed special occasions call for special guests. And we have none other than Mr. Balaji Vishwanathan for us here. And Sir delivered an excellent guest lecture today. We would rather call it a very interactive talk than a formal guest lecture. And to introduce Balaji Vishwanathan, I would say that he is one of the most known faces, names in the digital space of India today. He is an alumnus of Microsoft, the co-founder of Inventor Robotics, and of course, the world's most followed author on Quora. Sir, very warm welcome to the Vinod Gupta School of Management and of course the IIT Kharagpur campus.
Thank you.
So the first question that I would like to ask you, sir, on behalf of the students and the broader audience out there is, there are so many startups based on software cropping up every time in India, and especially many more in the field of AI and machine learning. However, we are yet to see an original Microsoft or a Facebook here in India. So what do you think is holding companies back, and what do you think can be the way ahead?
So part of it is so each ecosystem has a central element, and the ecosystem revolves around it. For instance, India built a strong ecosystem around services. So the TCS, Wipros, and the Infosys and all those companies, very few other companies, very few other countries could replicate it. Like China, Philippines, and all those countries also have service sectors, but none of them could replicate the services companies that we were able to build it. So each country builds its own unique culture, its own unique set of systems. So we built one kind of great companies, like so our services companies are also globally leading companies. So it is not not all countries have to build product. That said, as a product, companies require a lot of capital, a lot of patient capital, a lot of the surrounding systems to grow. For that, we need our VC ecosystem and venture ecosystem to mature to be able to support product companies. So we are still in the early part of the startup stage. So 10 years ago, hardly anyone talked about startups. So in the last 10 years, we have done substantially well. Companies like Ola or Redbus and Flipkart have come in. So we have to see in terms of the momentum that has created, we have done substantially interesting things like Oyo Rooms and companies like Oyo Rooms are going global, and companies like Capillary, and again, so these are all going global and taking over. So it's just a matter of time. But once the VC ecosystem matures even more to support the product companies, I'm sure the next 10 years we should be having one or two great product companies out of India.
Thank you so much, sir. And we are very hopeful of the fact that this momentum that we have gained in the last couple of years will propel us towards the next wave of development, and perhaps some product companies of the likes of Google and Facebook we can boast of. So the next question for you, sir, is you are one of the most followed persons anywhere on the internet today. Of course, to be accurate, you are the most followed person on Quora. So your popularity has actually inspired thousands of young men and women to inspire to be someone like you. What is your message for them? And do you think that one can build a very sustainable revenue stream for oneself doing such kind of answering on Quora or other platforms?
So the first part of it is, one of the things I would advise students is travel a lot, learn a lot. So you should not be traveling to tourist places at this time of the life. So I was just talking to one of the students over here, going to Bhutan or going to hill stations are fine, but if you are a 60-year-old, if you are in the 20-year-old, you should not be going to tourist places. You should be traveling around. You should be going to places like Bangladesh or Nepal. Go to their villages, understand the problems. Because whether you are an engineer or an entrepreneur, that kind of new learning, you have to be exposing yourself to new kind of things, meet interesting kind of people. I would say that is the most important part. And the third element of it is go for books. Books cannot be replaced with YouTube. Books cannot be replaced with blog posts. So long form reading has its own kind of power. So these three things, travel to interesting places, not to tourist places. You can always after retirement you can go to the touristy places. Go to places where you can learn a lot, and then meet interesting people and then understand their perspectives. And third is go for long form books. So these three things I would say. And like in terms of revenue, do not look into the direct revenue part of it. I would say you can build your own career around it. So you can be an author after getting momentum from Quora. You could be building your own career as an author as an editor separate. You could be building yourself as a thought leader who could be like doing a consulting firm. Let's say okay, you're building a consulting firm. Like now you already have a reputation from Quora or like LinkedIn. Now you can use that because people know that you're an expert and that you could use that. You could build a network out of it. So I would say like direct revenue from Quora. That should not be your number one thing. Your thing is your career could be built out of places like these.
So, thank you so much, sir. And the final question for you is, what was your experience interacting with the students of IIT Kharagpur and the School of Management?
It was awesome. So there's IIT Kharagpur was one campus I've been missing. Like in my talk, so this is a great experience talking to smart students over here, and then talking to the Purvodaya team, and you also brought another great speaker, Dr. Yunus, one of the world's most famous reformers and economists over there. So it's an amazing experience, I would say.
Thank you, sir. The pleasure is indeed ours to have hosted you. It's a great privilege for the School of Management of IIT Kharagpur to be hosting a leader like you. Thank you so much, sir. Once again,
Thank you.
thank you. Sir.